Epigima's wedding day. Epigima is my cousin. Though she, for short, we call she Tricks. And she married in October, which is when the day was fixed. She did there with one Ursulla Woodman, 14 years them say. So I beginning them turn bridesmaid last month and she went there. They may going for married sooner, but they say it not take long. So they say that's not to keep the wedding proper would wrong. Since some Bokra go against churches and go against married too, Epigima and Ursulla have excuse for what them do. Mr. Hopkins sent them tracts, saying, "'Tis a burning shame, say, cause sin that this Jamaica should have a worthless name." So Ursulla says to Tricks, "Gal, it is time we married now, for we don't want another earthquake, neither hurricane to blow. What we don't have, we can borrow." "Yes," says Tricks, "the buggy them. Even if we have to borrow, this a few banana them. We must make a wedding like them Bokra do sometime, roasting pig and chicken fritter, well washed down with rum and wine. We must have some dress-up waiter, and the company must large. Plenty friends will show for join me, being as there is no charge. If I were me, I would have married same place as my house, my son. But them fixed with drive or basa, whether sake of pride or fun. It was far from common wedding. Buggy them and horses too, which part all them touch horse nigger could have do as woodman do. That's why some no manage married. Them has not the cash for pay, so them satisfy be rotten for them married anyway. As for dressment, towards grand house, and the satin ribbon white, make the bride look like an angel. Goodness me, she was a sight. She did smile and hold she head up. And the bridegroom, yes, says he, Epigima do have taste though, and he know would have married me. And the wedding robe was long, sir. Bridesmaids bikini have for raise. Up she dressed for fear the longness drag she down, so pop she stays. When the pastor smiled, sir, and him say, "Where are the ring?" Everything was that way solemn you could hear a cricket sing. When the teacher played the organ, and they armed and march away, Parson Pickney say, "The wedding take the cake and carry the day, and the dinner and the parchment." Me no have no pen to write all the compliment and big word will that take me every night. Talk o good advice and teaching, talk o confirmation day. Some of them may toast the bride, sir, till the bride be most faint way. Little most would turn thick licking, for the room was well and strong, and the people that wouldn't take it neat, sir, which I say is very wrong. That and this like we black people when we get a drink or two, especially at a wedding table, we don't tap as Bokra do. Little most the wedding broke up, little most the bridegroom fight, if his cousin Jane didn't hold him, which I say is very right. Them would have sure forgive the liar something in a court to do. Then, as one big trouble over, bam, they would have beat up number two.